Okay, today we will learn about how to draw by using these modified tools. Okay, today we will know how to use these tools and we are going to draw some of the example diagrams. So first, see here. Okay, so we will use this diagram today and another one also. Okay, so okay, so we're gonna do this and the first one. Okay, see, before doing the diagram we have to understand what tool we have to take first. Okay, what are the tools we have to take first? By seeing this diagram we can easily imagine that there are more than 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and some of the circles like 15 to 16 circles. Okay, and here radius, here 2 radius, total 3 radius, and remaining one will be diameters and connected line. These connected lines are tangents to this circle. Okay, connected and tangent to the circle. So first we have to see the distance between first point to last point, boundaries. We have to check the boundaries, what the total distance it is. Okay, so from here, see, so there is 40. Okay, 40 and 40, it means from this circle to next circle we have 80 dimensions, 80 mm length. Next, from this circle to upper circle, so what is the distance? So normally we have 34 and 34. Okay, so from here it means you have to take a line, a center line, and you have to take a center line here also. Okay, so in these center lines, so from the center you have to take 34 bottom and 34 top. From this center line, left side 40 and right side 40, we have to take 2 or else 1 plus sin. Okay, then see, so first we will check what are the dimension it is. So before doing a diagram, first we have to do dimensions in millimeters, dimensions in centimeters, feet, meters, or etc. For that you have to go for UN, it means units. Enter. So select here decimal, 00 and millimeters. Okay, so in millimeters it will continue here only. We select OK. Okay, so I am here. So first one we can do is Control 0 for full screen. Okay, so first I am doing L enter for line. From first line, so there is no straight lines presenting now, so I am selecting F8 for the straight line. And what are the distance you have to see? So now you have to make it full screen here. So first see the diagram. Okay, these are, it means from this circle to this circle 80 mm distance. Okay, so again go for AutoCAD, L enter, from this point to another point 80, type 80, enter and escape. Okay, after 80 enter and escape. Next, from the midpoint of this line, okay, from the midpoint of this line, okay, this is the midpoint of the line, and what is the distance? This one. Okay, that is 34 from midpoint top and 34 midpoint bottom. Okay, so again L enter, I am selecting exactly on the midpoint. Okay, got it. From top 34, enter and escape. Okay, again L enter, from the midpoint bottom 34, enter and exit. So after exiting, okay, see, we have taken a 1 plus line like this. So why I am doing? So see, every corners, okay, straight line, they're having one straight line and another straight line. So every last corner of the straight line is converted or having the center point of this circle. Okay, this last point, this circle. Okay, Again from the middle, this is the last point, this is the point of circle intersection or circle center point. Okay, so I will doing, see here, go for C, enter. Okay, select here. Okay, what is the dimension we have? See, if it is in 16, okay, if it is in 16, it means it is diameter. If 20 r, it means 20 radius. If having radius, then only we have to convert into radius. If only number we have, no radius, no diameter, it's converted into diameter only, because diameter have two arrow marks. Okay, radius have only one arrow mark. Okay, that is the difference between to ensure that it is diameter or radius. Radius have always single arrow mark. Okay, diameter have always two arrow marks. Okay, so first I will take as 16 and 20 radius. Okay, again go for, so 16 diameter, it means you have to select here D, enter. Okay, type 16, enter. Okay, so 16 diameter is completed. Again space bar for continue. From the same center point, 22. Okay, what is the radius? 20 radius. It means after selecting circle, simply type 20. It means, see, study this once. Specify radius of circle or diameter. If you need diameter, you have to select D, enter, or else simply type 20, enter. Now it is radius, now it is diameter. Okay, because we have to erase this. Okay, next. Okay, from the from the right side we have 22 diameter and 20 radius. 22 diameter and 20 radius. C, enter. Okay, 22 dia, it means D, enter, 20, enter. Okay, again circle from same center point, again 22 radius, simply type 22, because we don't need diameter. If you need diameter, you have to go for D, enter, next 20, enter, that is diameter. If you don't need diameter, simply type the value that is converted into radius, 22, enter. Okay, so here it is 22 is diameter and 20 is radius. See, delete. Okay, circle, enter, 20, D, enter, 22, enter. This is diameter. Again continue from the same center point. Okay, 20, it means radius. Okay, it means the line end points is circle center points. That's why I have did two lines. Okay, now the upper center points. Okay, what is the dimension? 58 dia. See, it having two arrow marks. It's showing it's 58 dia. The top also 58 dia, bottom also 58 dia. Okay, so we have to use mirror tool after doing the upper portion. Okay, so here C, enter, selecting this center point. I am selecting D, enter, 58 or 52. Okay, 58 dia, D, enter, 58, enter. Okay, this is 58 dia. So now you can use mirror command. So simply you can select here mirror command, or else type here MI, enter, select the object, enter, select two reference point, first reference point and second reference point, and enter. Okay, so this is the mirror tool. Okay, how to use this mirror tool. Okay, next, what is the next tool? So we have another two diameters. Okay, top one is 40 dia with the same center point, bottom is 36 dia with same center point. Okay, 40 dia and 36 dia. C, enter, select the area, and for D, enter, 40, enter. Okay, next again spacebar, continue, D, enter. Okay, 36, enter, escape. Okay, so you got 4 circles completed. Next, delete the reference line. These are reference lines. Yes. Okay, delete the reference line. Okay, these are not needed, deleted. Now we have 4 circles. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4 set of circles. So next what we have to do, we have to make these tangents. Okay, first tangent, second tangent. Okay, how to take tangent I have explained in previous video also in drawing. So here I'm doing, okay, L enter. So after selecting L enter, okay, in your keyboard we have shift button. Okay, type shift and type mouse right click button. Okay, shift again, shift and mouse right click button. Okay, we have endpoint, midpoint, intersection, everything we will be there. So from there we have to select a tangent. Okay, tangent from first circle, again shift right click, tangent to last circle, like this you have to take. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing in bottom also. See, click carefully, L enter, shift right click, select tangent. Okay, select first circle. If you select tangent, it can rotate. Okay, it's not in a fixed position, it's rotated on the outer position of the circle. Next again shift right click and tangent and joint here simply. So it's now tangent totally. Okay, again see, so tangent is completed, but we have to delete the remaining circle here. So before doing that we have to go through this area. So what is this? From this circle to this circle we have 15 radius. Okay, 15 radius. So 15 radius on top, 15 radius on bottom, which are connected to the first circle and this 58 dia circle. Okay, so in that case I am doing it. So in that case what we have to do, we have to take, okay, radius, tan radius. So where tan radius exists, type C enter. So we have tan radius here. So how to use radius of these types? Select this. So tan radius, simply select first circle, simply select second circle and give radius value, that is 15 simply. Okay, again see, again I am explaining. C enter, next select tan radius, next select any two circle, in between you need to make tangent, first circle and second circle and value simply. Okay, the upper one also same. C enter, tan radius enter, first circle and second circle and value 15 enter. Okay, the value is completed, but we need to trim the remaining circle areas. So how we will trim? TR double enter, don't take single enter. Okay, TR double enter, select this, then after select this, then again inner one, then again this one. Okay, so maximum the diagram is completed. So outer layer of the outer boundary of the diagram is completed. Now what we have to do, there are patterns. Okay, it means arrays in that 40 dia. Okay, in that 40 dia path, so what is there? 8 holes of 10 dia. It means we have 8 circle of 10 diameter. Okay, it's not like 10 holes of 8 dia. Okay, just listen properly. 8 holes of 10 dia, it means there is 8 holes. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 holes of 10 diameter. It means every circle is in 10 diameter, 10 diameter of 8 holes upon 40 diameter path or 40 diameter radius area. Okay, so bottom one also same thing, 36 dia. It means already we have taken 36 here, but 6 holes of 8 dia. He, the upper and lower will be changed, that is 8 holes of 10 dia and 6 holes of 8 dia. So first we will do 8 holes of 10 dia. Okay, so minimize this, C enter, escape. So after completing trim, C enter. So we have every circle, we have a quadrant. Okay, in that quadrant you have to do a circle. So see, it should be in 10 diameter. Okay, it should be in 10 diameter. So here type D enter, then 10 enter. Okay, again see here, C enter. Okay, exactly on the quadrant, draw a circle. After drawing a circle, type D enter, because the circle value is in diameter. D enter, then 10 enter. Okay, so we did a circle here. Okay, this circle we have to make it 8 by using of arrays. Okay, So how erase works? AR, enter, select the object, enter, next last one, polar. Okay, we have to select polar, PO, enter, select center point. So already we have center point here. Okay, select this. So it's showing 6 circles, but we need 8. Okay, it shows 6 circles, but we need 8. So go to items. So where is items? Here we have items. Select here, simply select 8, enter. Okay, so this one is completed. Again enter. So upper completed. Okay, go for, then after completing, delete the line. This is called as reference line also. Okay, like this. Okay, now bottom one, again C, enter. This is 8 diameter. Okay, this is 6 holes of 8 diameter, means we have 6 holes with using 8 diameter. Okay, so 8 diameter means D, enter, and 8, enter. Okay, after completing one, go for erase. AR, enter, select the object, enter, next go for polar. Polar means PO, enter, select center point. So already it's 6 completed. Next enter. Okay, after completing things, delete the line because that is only for reference. So next, yesterday we have the class is hatching. Okay, so we can hatch here by selecting H, enter. Okay, after selecting H, enter. So there is hatching like this. Sometimes it show like this also. Okay, so next, add pick point, or else, so only I am doing this. Okay, area, enter, enter. Okay, hatching completed. Like this you have to draw the dimension. So next diagram will be uploaded soon.